Hi everyone. In this video we're going to solve the white cross, and here's the instructions for it. It says here that we must solve it with the following order: blue, orange, green, and red. That's not necessarily true. Recall that the edge pieces would be the pieces, so the edge pieces have only two colors. So when they're talking about the edge pieces, we want them to match our center. And also there's an algorithm for the ones that are kind of lopsided like this, which is right inverse, upper, face inverse, and upper inverse. Okay, so let's get started and look at the cube. Okay, we're going to solve the white cross, and what we want to do, if we look at the right one here, is have a white cross on our upper. So as you're holding the cube like this, we want the white to match with the center, these edge pieces, and this orange to match the orange. And if you turn it around, we want the greens to match here, white here, pink and white, and blue and white. So that's our only goal. So for example, don't worry about what I'm doing right here. If you have a white up here, you still have the white cross, so don't let that white bother you. Alright, so we're going to get started and solve the white cross. So that's our goal, and here's our cube. So what we're looking for is these center pieces with white. Now right here we have a pink, so this pink and white. And if I look to the side, what I can do is I can connect it here and bring it up, and I have that portion, the white matching and the pink matching. Alright, I have this green and white here, and remember, when you're holding the cube, don't roll it. Keep this white on top. You can look at it like this, but keep your white on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my right twice and move it down, and I'm going to move it, this green, there it is, where green lives. So green is across from blue, so I move it twice, and now it matches here, so I'm going to move it up top. So I have these two matching and these two matching. Now for the blue, I see the blue here, so what I'm going to do is bring it here, and I see it matching here, and I move it up. So now I have the pink, the blue, and the green. Now the other piece I'm missing is the orange. So what I'm going to do, and that's why they say go in order, because things like this happen. But all you have to do to get it out is I'm going to do a right inverse and move it out of the way and move it back up. So move blue back to where it goes. Alright, now I'm going to put orange under orange here. So I have the orange here, and if I move it up, you see what happens. It's mixed matched here. The orange should be here and the white should be there. So that's what this algorithm is for. So we had this algorithm. So what I'm going to do is right inverse, upper, face inverse. This is your face. So face inverse. So we brought it up. And then you do an upper inverse, which means counterclockwise, and back. So now you have these pieces here. Okay, now I'm going to do another one real quick. I'm going to kind of mix this one up. going to go ahead and start on this one. Let's get it in focus a little bit. All right, so here's my white. I have my red here, but it doesn't match the green center here. So I'm going to move it to the red. Red is across from orange, so I know it's on this side. So now I have this matched up. All right, now here's your green and white. And before we use the algorithm, but what you can do is move it to the side of this green and move it up this way and then connect it this way. All right, or you can use the algorithm on the other one that we looked on the other video. Now what happened when I did this is my oranges match. So by moving that over, it just matched, so I can just bring it up. And also what happened here is my blues matched, so I just bring it up to the top. So there is your white cross. Now you would think the white cross is the easiest. It actually is, but when you're first starting, it can be very confusing about moving the pieces and everything. So take your time, keep practicing it, and you will eventually get it. Bye bye. Have a nice day.